Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in our history classes. Today we are going to talk about the time period in between 1236 CE to 1240 CE. And what is the time period for this? This is actually time period of Razia Sultan kingdom. Okay, so we are going to start this time period for Razia Sultan. So here we are starting for Razia Sultan. So Iltutmish died in 1236 CE here. Before his death, he nominated his daughter, who Razia Sultan, because he is just declared as his successor to the throne, because according to him, none of his sons were capable of the throne. But his nobles did not like this idea, and they placed his son, who that is Ruknuddin Firoz. He was the son of Iltutmish, and to succeed him on the throne of Delhi. But what happened actually? He proved completely insufficient and unworthy. So the nobles had no option but to accept Razia as their leader. So her task was actually not easy. This is very tough thing to do. So because why actually this is not actually easy? Because there was very chaos, that is very disorder. That is, chaos means a kind of confusion, a kind of not actually, they are not understanding what is actually happening in the country there. So in that time, she actually set everything in order by her skill and intelligence. She was brave and courageous lady. She was always dressed like a man, and rode horses and held darbars also. In spite of all these qualities, her nobles did not like the idea of being ruled by a woman. They are disliking all these things. She was killed in the revolt in 1240 CE, and after the death of Razia Sultan, a number of less important sultan came to the power. But uh, here, uh, after Razia Sultan's death, when in 1240 CE, Nasruddin Mahmud, he was the youngest son of Iltutmish, Nasruddin Mahmud actually. So he was a became king there. Okay, he just ascending the throne at that moment, and he was a very devoted Muslim and peace loving person, very peace loving man. He was the failure as a king. So administration was carried over by his general, that is Balban. Here that is started, that is Gyazuddin Balban. Okay, so we are going to talk about this area of the chapter. So he is the person, he is the general of the king, that is Gyazuddin Balban, and he was really a strong willed, powerful, and good personality person, and member of Chalisa. As you all know, 40, as a group of 40 of Turkish nobles, that elected by whom? By Iltutmish, for self defense. So after the death of Nasruddin in CE 1266, he died 1266. Balban became the Sultan of Delhi, a strict, disciplined, and person, and he recommended simple living